Since I keep getting asked all these questions about my lecture on magnetism in July, I wanted to make it perfectly clear is that I'm not being paid at all to do this lecture, for which I've invested a lot of time. I won't have anybody filming it, but much later on in late July or August, I will give the lecture here at my house in 8 sections and upload those videos of the lecture redone and subdivided into 8 or 9 sections. The way it works is that they have got airplane tickets for me and a hotel to stay at for the lecture. They will be filming the lecture, for which later on I believe they'll be selling DVDs. I get no money from the lecture, the entry fees, because there are a lot of people lecturing, and of course I don't even know what the entry fee for the energy conference is, but whatever it is, I make no money from that, nor do I make any money from the DVD sales at all. The lecture itself is completely free from my side, completely free. I get nothing for it at all. So the way they actually recoup the costs of the lecture, I believe, would be the sales of DVDs, and that's perfectly fine with me. I know there's a few people of you that said that they're going to be out there. It'll be nice to meet you. And I'll watch a couple of lectures myself. If there's any crazy people planning on attending, there'll be plenty of security there, so there are a few flaky people out there. I mean, like, flaky. I think we all know what that is in reference to. Somebody recently made a video poking fun of my lecture on magnetism, which is completely free, and comparing it in the same breath to a walkabout on photography, which is $800 a head. I'm pretty sure that $800 a head for a meet and greet is not comparable to my lecture, for which I am doing it 100% free. I'm absolutely certain that $800 a head for that person's photography walkabout is in no way comparable to my lecture, which is completely free, and the book of which is completely free as well. 3rd edition and the 4th edition to come out sometime this year, so not comparable. My lecture is all done. I get kind of tired of reciting it, and of course I have demonstration units and lasers to ship out. I have to ship out all this equipment, lasers, bring 2 computers, ferrofluid, glass spheres, LED lighting equipment, all sorts of strange scientific stuff to the lecture. And but anyway, I'm completely ready for it in July. But that's the information on my lecture, because I get a lot of questions asked about the lecture on magnetism, and I think that answers every question. Goodbye.